Welcome back. Now we're going to finish the game by having a proper grid, not just 3 boxes, the way we expect the Whac-A-Mole game to be like. So the first thing I'm going to do is let's close all of the windows we have, and let's go back to the File Explorer, and let's copy the V2 folder. Remember, we're keeping old versions of the application alive. So I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to say copy. Then right-click, paste. And it's going to create something like this. I'm going to rename it and call it V3, version 3. So go ahead and do that, please. Come back when you're done. So now let's open those files. So again, make sure you close Visual Studio so you're editing the right file. Right-click, open with Visual Studio. Right-click, open with Visual Studio. And we're going to also open this with Microsoft Edge. And of course, my Edge is having this problem, so it's going to do that again. Great. I'm going to put side by side. Okay. Another thing I want to do is this file is getting very busy. Okay. So remember how we used to have the CSS right inside the HTML, and then we later on moved it into its own file, and we are just referencing the file in this way. And this way we bring in the CSS when the HTML page runs, so to speak. Well, we can do the same thing for the JavaScript file. So let's create a JavaScript file. Let's go back to our File Explorer, and let's create a new file, text document, and call it wacamole.js for JavaScript. Yes, I want to change it. And let's also open that with Visual Studio. So go ahead and get that done. wam.js, and come back when you're finished. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to take everything that's in between the script tags, and we want to move it to the JavaScript file. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to hold the Shift key, and I'm going to do down arrow. Holding a Shift key and down arrow, I'm selecting everything. Obviously, you can do it any way you like. You don't want to grab the script tags. So right-click, cut. You want the script tags to remain, okay? And then we go to this file, paste. Where's paste? Here it is. And save. So go ahead and do that. And again, make sure the script tags remain like this. Come back when you're done. So now we have to, oops, let me close that, that shouldn't be here. Now we have to reference this file from our HTML. And the way we do that is we go here and we say src, that means source, and we say, well, which file has this JavaScript? And we say wacamole.javascript. And save. And now go here, refresh, and everything should be still working very good. And we can actually make it like this. It doesn't matter how you make it. So now basically this script tag will be filled with whatever's in this file. Now it's very important that you can actually take this and move it like here. You can have it like that. You can have it in all different kinds of places, but that's actually going to break something. So make sure, oops, make sure you have it at the end of your program. And now your HTML is very clean, and your JavaScript is a separate file as well. So let's save that, and I'll see you in the next video.